Hi everybody, welcome back. This is Kim. I'm really glad you're here. If you're new to this channel, welcome. Today I'm going to be talking about news that I read today. I guess this happened on June 14th, but I just read about it today. Doordash is going to be partnering with Petsmart for their delivery. This is interesting to me. I really wonder how it's going to go. We all know how the whole Walmart thing worked out when they teamed up with Walmart to be the delivery people for Walmart. We all hate those orders. Are we all going to hate the PetSmart orders? I don't really know. You think they're just grabbing at straws and just trying to get whatever business they can? Or is this a genius move? Give them more market share? I don't know. What do you think? Let's dig into it a little bit. Okay, so why the push for retail delivery? I've received Petco offers for sure. I'm not sure if I've received PetSmart orders previously or not. I did recently receive an order for a tire distribution delivery to a tire store, which I found so odd. The pay was not very good and it was going pretty far, and I don't want tires in my car. But I thought that was a really strange delivery request. And this last weekend, I got a Lens Crafters delivery offer, which I thought was also very strange. Neither of these were worthwhile money-wise, so I declined them, but I don't know why all of a sudden there's so many retail offers. I thought this was food delivery. And during the holidays, of course, there were the Macy's delivery offers. They took forever to get the items. I only took one of these, and boy, did I learn my lesson. Retail's just different. Restaurant and groceries, okay, I can kind of see that, how that ties in, but full-on retail stores, I don't know. Anyways, so they've teamed up with Walmart to get their orders delivered, and we know how much we all love those Walmart deliveries. Will the PetSmart orders be the same? I have no idea. Anyways, will these customers tip? I'm afraid these customers are going to look at this delivery similar to like UPS or post office or whatever, and just say, oh wow, our stuff's coming, someone's delivering it, but not look at it, the way they currently do with food. Customers are accustomed to tipping for food delivery, but not for dog toy delivery, and not dog food delivery either. What will the tipping prompts look like? Will it be like the $1, $2, $3 prompts, or is it percentage? Or will it even, have an option for them to tip? I have no idea. They released a press release. They basically says DoorDash announces partnership with PetSmart offering on-demand delivery of pet essentials. Customers nationwide can now access same-day delivery of pet supplies through DoorDash. And on the following screens, I have the actual press release. So it just says the nation's leading last-mile logistics platform announced today a partnership with the leading pet specialty retailer PetSmart to facilitate on-demand delivery of pet supplies and accessories across nearly 1,500 PetSmart locations nationwide. Customers can now order pet products for on-demand delivery through DoorDash app or website, in addition to the PetSmart.com website for same-day delivery, powered exclusively through the DoorDash Drive, DoorDash's white label fulfillment platform that powers direct delivery for any business. DoorDash will offer more than 11,000 items from PetSmart, including pet food, pet toys and treats, habitats and supplements, and more. Pet parents can now shop for everything they need for the lifetime care of their pets in a convenient and accessible way through the DoorDash app. As we continue to accelerate our entry into the new categories to meet consumers' adapting on-demand needs, we are thrilled by the opportunity to continue to work with PetSmart to provide pet owners with all the animal essentials they need conveniently and reliably right on the DoorDash app, said Christopher Payne, president of DoorDash. At PetSmart, we understand our customers' needs are always evolving, said Will Smith, Senior Vice President and Chief Marketing Officer at PetSmart. We're delighted to partner with DoorDash to provide pet parents with access to the essentials they need right when they need them. There's one more page. It's not as long. DoorDash partner and NASCAR driver Bubba Wallace and his dog Asher star in the new DoorDash multi-platform marketing campaign to celebrate the launch of the partnership with PetSmart. Asher the Dasher, a high-energy TV, digital, social campaign, will launch with a 30-second TV spot featuring Bubba Wallace and Asher, airing today with additional video content running across social and digital. As a new pet parent, I am so excited to see Doordash partner with Petsmart to make the same-day delivery of pet supplies a reality, said Bubba Wallace. Whether Asher is with me on the road or at home, the fact that I can now order him all his favorite treats and essentials and get them delivered on demand is a game changer. Petsmart is available on Dash Pass, Doordash's membership program that offers members unlimited $0 delivery fees and reduced service fees from thousands of restaurants, grocery, and convenience stores nationwide. Dash Pass members can enjoy these benefits on all eligible orders from Petsmart. Asher the Dasher was created in partnership with Boken, a San Francisco-based creative agency tasked with bringing the campaign to life. The campaign was directed by Paul Trillo and produced by Greg Speck, with Monica Lowe as creative director. So there you go. It's official. I have some questions and concerns. Will the customers tip? What's the base pay going to be? How are they going to determine how much we get paid? Will we have to shop and pay with the red card, like when we go to CVS or something? If not, how quickly can we grab the orders and go? Is it going to be, sit there and wait for one of their employees to bring it out to you? Are they going to have a shelf where you can just grab it? There's so many logistical things that they need to figure out that I don't know. I just don't know how it's going to work. Will these be leave at the door deliveries, or will they have to hand it to the customer? That could be a real pain. If they're handed to the customer, then you have to stand there and wait for them to answer the door, etc. They're going to want you to bring it in the house. Who knows what? You have a big bag of dog food. They're not going to want you to leave it on the porch, so they're going to have to drag it in. I see so many problems with this. Anyways, as more and more of these retail store deliveries are introduced into the DoorDash system, do you think maybe they will split them off into their own product line? I was thinking maybe they would do like food delivery and retail delivery, and maybe you could pick and choose which ones you want. Or are they going to give everybody access to all the different delivery, offers? It's going to be rough. And the top dashers, wow, they're going to be busy. So anyways, what do you think? Do you currently accept the retail deliveries? Do you get very many? Like I said, I get a handful. I do get a lot of Walmart. I get CVS, a couple grocery store ones, like Vons and Smart and Final. I got that tire one, Lens Crafters, but I do get Petco once in a while, but I haven't seen a whole lot of other ones. Jenny Craig, I don't take those, but I get offered those quite a bit. But anyways, which kind of orders do you see? Do you accept the shop and pay deliveries, like where you have to go into Walgreens and shop and then deliver the items, or CVS? Sometimes the money's pretty good. If it's just a couple items, I'll do them, but generally I skip on those. Just because you have to try to find the stuff, and if they're out of it, then you have to communicate with the customer and see if they want substitutions. Then you got to wait in line to check out. Sometimes they only have one checker. It takes forever. So, it just depends on what the money is, if I take them or not. Are you excited for them to add more retail partners? Do you like that part of the delivery? I personally don't really. I like the restaurants. I think it's just faster, easier. You don't have to worry so much about what the person ordered. Like Petsmart, oh my God, they could order gigantic bags of dog food. They could live in an apartment building. You got to carry it across the parking lot, up a bunch of stairs, down hallways. Oh, I don't know. Sorry, that's my own nightmare. Anyways, comment below what you think. It's going to be interesting. It's an interesting ride. I love DoorDash, actually. I think that sometimes when you try too many things, it backfires. Hopefully this doesn't backfire. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed, please do. And if you enjoyed this video, please click thumbs up for me. That would be great. And anyways, I'll see you next time.